Today I want to talk about make sure you get the recipes that you enjoyed in your youth because at some point your grandparents and your parents, aunts, uncles will pass away and that knowledge will be gone. So if you love how somebody made cornbread or meatloaf or whatever, if you don't get those recipes written down, they will be lost forever. So make sure you catalog all those recipes. As always, rock around the course. If this could be like this type of amazing content, subscribe and compete that.